The River Road and Santa Clara community organizations, in collaboration with neighbors, businesses, the City of Eugene, and Lane County, are creating a vision that will guide decision-making in River Road and Santa Clara for decades to come. One of the key ways to implement the plan is through zoning and development standards that describe how new development should look and function. Imagine neighborhood centers in specific areas along the corridor where neighbors walk to shops, meet for coffee, and visit their neighbors who live nearby in a variety of housing types. So what's the challenge now? The current zoning lacks transitions. A property owner in a commercial area can build a 10-story building right next to a single-family house. Also, there's a lack of housing options like duplexes and row houses. People involved in the neighborhood planning process, your neighbors, city and county staff, and a design team, are considering changing the zoning to address these issues. One idea, Concept 1, is to concentrate growth along River Road and major side streets, provide more opportunities for active mixed-use centers, shown in red, and denser housing options, including 2 to 3 story apartments in the orange areas. Another idea, Concept 2, is to disperse new housing options over a wider area, allowing some new types like duplexes and triplexes, but not apartments, in the wide olive-colored area on the map. Both concepts include active mixed-use centers in red, which would allow both housing and shops without the limitations of current commercial zones. And most importantly, the code would create transitions between zones, using development standards like transitions and building height. Here are some example development standards: scaling transitions so that apartments don't tower over homes, and buffering between properties by using vegetation and setbacks. Which option is best for the community? The current zoning, which allows taller buildings than are currently in the area, Concept 1, a narrower area of denser housing, or Concept 2, a wider area of middle housing types. Each of the choices would happen over time as property owners choose to develop their land or start new businesses. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the River Road Santa Clara Neighborhood Plan and Corridor Study. Here are links to 2 surveys where you can provide input to the Community Advisory Committee and project team.